Everybody. All right, everyone. I'm in the heart of this Russell's Travel Center. As you can see, it's another big travel center. So, welcome to Russell's. But they have an old style diner over there around Route 66. Then up here along the walls, this is supposed to simulate a church, but up on the walls all the way around is just diesels after toy diesels. But then there's a Subway, old-fashioned soda fountain over there, it looks like. But what we're here for is the cars. So without further ado, let me turn the camera around. We will show you some cars, looks like some bikes, and a bunch of stuff. So, and there is a chapel in case you need to pray. But let me turn the camera around. Alright guys, I'll try to hold this stuff still so you guys can see, and then I'll take shots to play with music here in a little bit. But starting with a 1950 Harley Davidson 125cc. That is a bad little bike. Sorry, I wanted to take a picture of it. So, then I believe this was a 1927, not sure what, Model T. With a whole 20 horsepower, 2-speed transmission, $360 brand new. Can you believe that? It's a 1959 Cushman. That thing's worth some money. Goldwing, if you like those. Look at that. 42 Harley. She's a beauty. '58 Mustang Stallion. Alright guys, so we came into the main part of the museum here. Any of y'all that have a crush on Marilyn Monroe? There you go. And as you can see, Marilyn Monroe all over the place. But so yeah, this is the inside of the museum. Just tons and tons of stuff. So let me flip the camera back around. We'll walk around, check some things out. Alright guys, so when you first walk in the door on the right hand side, you have this 1957 T-Bird convertible. She's a beauty. You have Elvis hanging out behind her and Marilyn Monroe on the other side. 1948 Willys Jeep. Some barbershop equipment. All kinds of Elvis and Marilyn Monroe and Route 66 stuff. Have old jukeboxes. But I'm just going to walk around real fast and kind of check things out, and then we'll come back and do some footage. 1959 Ford Galaxy. '53 Kager Manhattan. '50 Ford Custom. God, that one's beautiful. The phone is not doing that color any justice. She is gorgeous. 1952 Chevrolet Deluxe convertible. Wow. And the Coca-Cola Bear riding shotgun. Look at this Camaro. Good Lord, she is gorgeous. Beautiful cars. 1968 Super Sport. That's money right there. That is a gorgeous, gorgeous car. Alright, behind us we have an old Texaco that used to transport, it looks like kerosene, motor fuel, and motor oil. All on the same carriage. That's pretty cool. Here's a little bit newer version after they quit using the horse and the buggy, which was on the front of that. Motorized one. Alright. Look at this 1960 Chevrolet Impala convertible. Just immaculate. Beautiful red and white interior.
What's this? Cadillac DeVille? That is a long car.
1963 Cadillac Coupe. Something that Elvis would have owned.
You up so you can see
How long
better, see how long they are, see inside, okay? Oh, you got a fake here, huh? The other one, the seats are also teal. It's like the outside of the car.
Alright. 1966 Ford Thunderbird. And this kind of rose gold, pink, something. I skipped the last car because I'll show you it here in a second because it's my dream car. If any of you guys know me very well, you know that right there, even in that color, is my dream. That is my dream car. A 1957 Chevy Bel Air convertible. I could own multiple Bel Airs. God, that is gorgeous. Love it. 185 horsepower engine. Push you down the road. I have to get more shots of the 57. Sorry guys if you guys aren't 57 fans, but for me, I love the Bel Airs. Just friggin' love them. I mean, they're all gorgeous cars, don't get me wrong, but God, this Bel Air is beautiful. Picture me rolling. Alright, let me walk to the other side and I'll restart the video. So, this is telling you about the anatomy of a parade saddle. I don't know much about horses or saddles or horse riding in general, but if you want to read that, sorry, get that light out of your way. You can pause that and read about it. And that's the horse saddle. And of course, the Duke. You gotta have the Duke in a place like this. All kinds of Elvis, Marilyn Monroe, little freaking bikes up there, little cars. Alright, so we're back to the cars. Here you go. My brother Tony's watching. He'll get a kick out of this one. 1973 VW Carmen Ghia. Sorry Tony if I murdered that. 49 horsepower. She's a beauty though, just in gorgeous condition. Don't mind the guy doing what he needs to do in the outhouse right there, but wow. Check her out, Tony. Try to get you an inside shot. Good looking V-dub. So we got a 1958 Cushman Eagle, and 1967 Yamaha. Nothing like a chrome gas tank to blind the guys you're riding with and the fenders. Alright. Now we're back to the cars. It's a gorgeous, like dark maroon, almost purple on this Galaxy. (1963) half Ford Galaxy 500. Don't know what that means, but maybe some of you guys will. 1959 Ford Galaxy Fairline. Wow. Red and white just go so good together. So, some of you might think this is another Bel Air, but it's Pontiac's version. Still a really gorgeous car. It's not a Bel Air though. Wow. I like the color. Super Chief is what it's called. 3-speed automatic transmission, 345 horsepower. So, there's the car. Sorry, I'm reading. But I guess this was your paint options. 1957. And here's a little bit about the car. Scroll slow in case somebody wants to read it. Yeah, gorgeous, amazing looking cars. 1955 Crown Victoria. Look at her. With the pink and white interior. This one's a Ford Galaxy Sunliner. Again with the red and the white. Moving on to 1959 Corvette. For my brother Terry, if you're watching, there's a Corvette for you. She is just beautiful. Kind of, I don't even know what color of blue you'd call it. It's darker than a sky blue, but that's those white accents. Beautiful polished chrome everywhere, and then it has like this like silver interior that just works. If you can tell, the mirrors mounted on the dash. That's cool. It's the emblem. That's gorgeous though. That's next to the Bel Air, probably my favorite car in here. Alrighty, got another Corvette, 1955. She is amazing too, but not nearly as amazing as that one. Alright, for all you Impala fans, 1958 Chevy Impala. Going back to the kind of the teal blues.
So yeah, just stand right there.
So you can see old Marilyn Monroe hanging out next to the Impala, as she should. As she should. Get a shot of the back of these cars for you guys really quick. There is just tons of history in this place. Sorry, I'm scrolling too fast. Oh, I didn't even see the Hulk up there. Check him out, just chilling. all kinds of veteran stuff and trucks and actors and actresses.
That was so title.
Here's the information about the 55 Roadster. Don't you wish you paid that price for it back when it was original and kept it? Cool old school bike.
Oh, a little pedal car too, huh?
There you go, for all my Marilyn Monroe fans. Love it. I'd love to have that picture above the TV. Have some smaller ones. Oh, gotta get the American flag. You know we like American flags on this channel. Sorry guys, this video is stretching kind of long, but what can you do? I mean, this place is amazing. Got these little pedal airplanes. Can't tell you anything about them because I don't know anything about them, but they're old, they're metal, they're legit. Old school desk. Back to the cars. God, I really like that green. It's like a mint something. Wow, that's an amazing color though. Check out this little pedal car. Oh, here's the Duke. My dad would love this place if he was still around to enjoy things like this. Got Elvis, Eve Arnold, more Marilyn. And just some jukeboxes and whatnot. Here's Betty Bop, Betty Boop, Betty Bop, Betty someone. But, alright guys, I'm going to walk around and take some video shots of some of these cars. I'll probably break this up into 2 videos as well. But as always, remember to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys all tomorrow.